Are you ready to crush your competition? Welcome to our guide on choosing the right rock crusher. Whether you're in mining or construction, this decision can make or break your operation. This guide will walk you through each step to help you select the perfect crusher for your needs. Step 1. Understand your needs. When choosing a crusher, consider these key factors. What type of rock are you crushing? What size output do you need? How much material do you need to process daily? What are the operational costs? How durable is the machine and how easy is it to maintain? Different crushers are suited for various types of rock, such as granite, limestone, caliche, basalt, or river rock. Identifying the type of material you will be processing is essential. If you're not sure what kind of rock you have, you can send it to your local rock testing laboratory to find out. Determine the size of the crushed material you require. This will influence the size and type of crusher needed. Understand your production goals, including how much material you need to process daily or weekly. This will help determine the capacity of the crusher you need. By clearly defining your requirements, you can narrow down the options and focus on the crushers that best meet your operational goals. Step 2. Research crusher types. Rock crushers come in 4 main types: jaw, cone, impact, and giratory. Familiarize yourself with the different types of crushers available on the market. Each type excels in different scenarios. Jaw crushers are ideal for primary crushing of large rocks. They are known for their ability to handle large feed sizes and for their reliability. Cone crushers are suitable for secondary and tertiary crushing. They are well suited for crushing medium to hard materials. Impact crushers are best for processing softer and less abrasive materials. They provide a higher reduction ratio, but may require more maintenance. Giratory crushers are used primarily for primary crushing in large-scale operations. They offer high capacity and are ideal for processing hard and abrasive materials. Understanding the features and benefits of each type will help you determine which crusher is most suitable for your needs. Step 3. Compare specifications. After identifying the crusher types that meet your basic requirements, it's time to dive deeper into their specifications. Key factors to consider include capacity. Ensure the crusher can handle your required production rate. Efficiency. Look for crushers that offer optimal crushing efficiency and lower operational costs. This could mean choosing an electric or hybrid crusher over a diesel-powered one. Durability. Consider the build quality and materials used. A durable crusher will last longer and require fewer repairs. Maintenance needs. Evaluate how easy it is to maintain and repair the crusher. Some models are designed for easier maintenance, which can save you time and money in the long run. Compare the specifications of different models to find the best balance of capacity, efficiency, durability, and maintenance for your specific situation. Step 4. Evaluate manufacturers. Not all rock crushers are created equal, and the manufacturer plays a significant role in the quality of the product. When evaluating manufacturers, consider reputation. Look for manufacturers with a strong track record and positive customer reviews. A reputable manufacturer is more likely to provide a high-quality product. Customer support. Reliable after-sales support is crucial. Ensure the manufacturer offers comprehensive support, including maintenance services, parts availability, and technical assistance. Innovation. Some manufacturers lead the industry in technology and innovation, offering features that can improve efficiency and safety. Selecting a reputable manufacturer will help ensure that your crusher is reliable and supported throughout its lifespan. Purchasing a rock crusher is a complex decision that requires careful planning and consideration. However, with the right partner, the process becomes significantly easier. Machinery Partner offers a comprehensive solution to help you find the ideal machine for your needs, budget, and use case. With free delivery on large purchases, access to top-notch service and support, and flexible financing options, we are here to ensure your investment is successful and your operations run smoothly. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you find the perfect crusher for your business.